How to use VR mode in YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Open up your YouTube application from your device. Now in order to use the VR mode in your YouTube account, you have to search for the videos that enables the VR mode or where the VR mode is accessible. At the top search bar, type in VR video. Then go below all the videos, choose the one that you would like to watch. Once you do so, you will see a settings icon here. Tap onto it. Then tap on additional settings. Then tap on watch in VR. Then tap on continue. And just like so, this is how you can continue watching this video in VR mode. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.